So many people think they have clear boundaries, and they don't. So many couples think they have accountability woven into their relationship, and they don't. Hello, I'm Dr. David Hawkins, Director of the Marriage Recovery Center, and we specialize in narcissistic and emotional abuse, and we specialize in helping couples make really clear agreements that have clear consequences if they're violated, and we help couples make repairs. So many marriages are falling apart because they don't make repairs. They don't take accountability or responsibility for the problems that occur. Now, how do we do that? We've got a tool that's known as the V. And anyone who's worked with me knows about the V. And the V is just shaped like a V, but all it means is there's a speaker and there's a listener, and they hold space for each other while they talk through a problem. But it isn't just talking through a problem and learning how to empathize with each other, as important as that is. And then it's not enough to simply take ownership and understand, yes, I've done that. I can see how I've hurt you. It's true that I did hurt you, and that's wrong. Those are all great steps, and we help couples hold space while they share empathically with each other. But what's key is that they come to a place where they make a sacred agreement. A sacred agreement is this. I did it with a couple yesterday. And they agreed that each had a part to play. And they agreed that each would do something different than what they've been doing. They were going to talk about issues in a calm, clear, and compassionate way. And if either escalated, they were going to take a time out. And that's a wonderful sacred agreement. But now what is key and what was so dramatic for this couple and for every couple that I work with is if they don't keep to their agreement. Now you can think about this. Are you making agreements which have some teeth in it? They have some consequences to it. And this couple said, okay, if we violate this agreement, either one of us, maybe they'll give each other a cue when a violation is beginning to occur. Maybe they won't. But either way, the relationship will be broken. I'm sorry, you didn't keep the sacred agreement that we made yesterday about holding space or about taking a time out if you escalated, or taking responsibility if you spoke in a non-caring, harsh way. Whatever the agreement is, then we say to our mate, you have broken the sacred agreement we made on such and such date about such and so, and now I'm going to break fellowship with you. Oh, what does that mean, break fellowship? It means I'm going to pull apart from you. And I'm not going to be in relationship until you've done the 3 A's. What are the 3 A's? Sincere apology. I am really sorry for having lost my temper. The second A is acceptance of responsibility. I can see that losing my temper hurts you. It hurts the relationship. It causes you not to trust me. And the third A is making appropriate amends. And as you might imagine, we need to know what our mate's love language is, or what does compassionate caring mean to them, what's going to restore the relationship. And then you can imagine this, that the third A, appropriate amends, needs to be escalating more severe if it continues to happen. And so this break in fellowship needs to happen every time there is a broken sacred agreement. And if it continues to happen, it needs to be brought to your counseling so we can explore what in the world is going on. All right, clear agreements that both accept and understand. with a break in fellowship if they harm one another. And this break has to be dynamic, critical, focused, intense. And the path, the bridge of restoration is the 3 A's. And until that's done, the relationship is broken. All right. I hope that is clear to you. If it's not, if there's anything more you want to learn about this, we're available. And we've got other videos about this. And of course, we can talk about it in counseling. Give our office a call, and we're happy to help you. This turns chaos into compassionate caring. All right. God bless.